Hi everyone, today's headlines. Farhat Band today till 3 pm. Nada to arrive Nagaland on December 14 for 2-day visit. One held for sexual assault on minor in Dimapur. Nagaland Covenant tally 11,418. 4 dead and 2 injured in mishap. Jamshedpur beat ATK 2-1 in ISL. Bala Devi becomes first Indian woman footballer to score in Europe. Ellura mystery illness not showing signs of contagious, sender forms team. News in details. Farhat Band today till 3 pm. A farmer leader on Monday said that the nationwide strike called on December 8 in the wake of farm loss will be observed from 11 am to 3 pm. It is a symbolic protest to register our opposition. It is to show that we don't support some of the policies of the Government of India, spokesperson Bharatiya Kisan Union Ragesh Tikayat told ANI. Tikayat further said the farmer union don't want to cause any trouble to the common man and all the emergency services and even wedding will go on as usual. We don't want to cause problems for common man, therefore we will begin at 11 am so that they could leave for office on time. Work hours in office will end by 3 pm. Services such as ambulance, even wedding can go on as usual. People can show their card and leave. Tikayat explained the details of Farhat Band. Nada to arrive Nagaland on December 14 for 2-day visit. BJP National President Jagat Prakash Nada is scheduled to arrive Nagaland on 2-day visit December 14 and 15. According to BJP sources, Nada will arrive Kohima on December 14, meet Nagaland Chief Minister, state BJP party workers, BJP legislators and civil society organizations. The president is also scheduled to hold a press conference on December 15. One held for sexual assault on minor in Dimapur. Dimapur police on December 5 arrested a 33-year-old man on charges of sexually assaulting a minor girl. According to a statement issued by ADCP and PRO Dimapur police, one Bokaito Achomi of Tijipami village accosted the minor for a lift on his auto rickshaw near Karmi Hall, Dimapur and took her to the hotel where she was allegedly sexually assaulted. The victim, however, managed to alert her family members. Following this, PRO said that the police were able to arrest the accused. Nagaland COVID-19 tally 11,418. Nagaland on Monday reported 39 new COVID-19 positive cases, 23 in Kohima, 9 in Tunsang, 6 in Dimapur and 1 in Kifri, taking the tally to 11,418. 4 dead and 2 injured in mishap. 4 people from Longland district died on the spot and 2 critically injured in a mishap near Balipatur, Karbi Anglong district on Monday. According to reports, the incident took place when a Dimapur-bound Tata Simo from Longland collided head-on with a truck. The Jamshedpur beat ATK by 2-1 in ISL. Jamshedpur defeated ATK 2-1 and ended the Kolkata-based club winning start to the season at Tilak Maidan Stadium on Monday. Bala Devi becomes first Indian woman footballer to score in Europe. Bala Devi has scripted history by becoming the first Indian woman to score in a professional league in Europe when she netted against Motherwell on Sunday night for Rangers FC. Ellura mystery illness not showing signs of contagious, sender forms team. The mystery disease that began spreading in Ellura in Andhra Pradesh has not shown any signs of contagious so far. State authorities said on Monday, even as the central government announced that it will fly a team of experts to the town on Tuesday. So far, the illness has not spread from one person to another. A note shared by Collector Ravi Mutyala Raju stated, even as over 340 people have fallen sick so far, the undiagnosed disease has also caused the death of one person. That's all for now. To get this latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.